Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage style kitchen curtain designs ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style kitchen curtains are all about bringing charm, nostalgia and a cozy, timeless feel into your kitchen. They often reflect the design trends from past decades, especially the 1920s to 1970s, while blending softness, patterns, and elegance. Here is a detailed breakdown of what defines vintage kitchen curtain design. First, fabric choices: cotton and linen. Use lighter, breathable, and easy to wash that jump softly and give a warm, homey feel. Use lace. Adds a delicate, romantic, and old-world charm, often used as overlays or balances. Sheer fabrics allow light in while maintaining privacy, giving that airy, vintage look. Patterns and prints. Use floral prints. Small or medium florals in muted or pastel shades are classic vintage. Think roses, daisies, or wildflowers. Use checks and gingham. Red, blue, or beige gingham is iconic in retro kitchen. Polka dots and stripes, playful yet elegant patterns, often seen in 1950s and 60s kitchens. Novelty prints, retro motifs like fruits, teapots, or vegetables evoke a nostalgic farmhouse feel. Next, styles and cuts. Cafe curtains. Cover just the lower half of the window, letting light in while maintaining privacy. Very popular in vintage kitchens. Balances. Short decorative jobs across the top of windows can be paired with blinds or shades underneath. Full-length panels, falling curtains for larger kitchen windows, often paired with tie backs. Tile curtains, 2 or more layers, sometimes with lace trim adding texture and depth. Let's color. Use soft pastels like mint green, yellow, lush pink, and sky blue create a soft vintage feel. Muted neutrals like cream, beige, or soft gray for an understated classic look. Contrasting brights, occasionally bright shades or deep blues are used for retro pop. Decorative details, ruffles and frills add softness and a feminine touch. Lace trim or embroidery adds intricate charm and a handmade feel. Fabrics and ribbons, functional and decorative, enhancing the nostalgic look. Buttons and patchwork, often used in retro or country-style kitchen. Complementary decor, vintage curtains pair well with retro appliances like toaster, mixer, fridge. Wooden or painted cabinets like vintage wall clocks or sign, messenger storage and open shelves. Tips: For a timeless vintage look, choose lighted, airy fabrics with subtle prints. Keep the colors soft and don't overcrowd the window with heavy jumps. A simple lace valance or a small floral cafe curtain can instantly transform a modern kitchen into a cozy, nostalgic space. Here are some tips for designing or styling vintage-style kitchen curtains to make your kitchen feel charming, cozy, and timeless. Layering for tip: combine sheer curtains with heavier panels. Shades let in light, while the heavier panel can be drawn for privacy. Layering adds dimension and a touch of elegance typical of vintage kitchens. Tie-backs creatively. Tie-backs can be ribbon, fabric stripe, or even decorative chains. Position them higher or lower to change how to the curtain jumps, creating a different look depending on your time of day. Mix pattern wisely. Wear a small floral or subtle stripes or checks for a balanced, richer feel. Stick to 2 or 3 colors maximum to avoid a cluttered look. Play with curtain length. Store cafe curtains create a cozy country kitchen vibe. Play with curtain length. Short cafe curtains create a cozy country kitchen vibe. Full-length curtains add drama, elegance, and a slightly romantic vintage feel, great for large windows or kitchens with a dining look. Choose nostalgic colors like soft pastels, muted neutrals, or retro brights, depending on your kitchen's theme. Warm tones like mustard, coral, or terracotta give a classic 60s or 70s vibe. Cool tones like mint, powder blue, or lavender give a fresh, airy, and nostalgic charm. Incorporate decorative trims, add lace, ruffles, or embroidered edges for handmade nostalgic charm. Even a small lace inside can instantly make a simple curtain look vintage. Match with kitchen decor. Pick curtains, colors, and patterns that complement backsplash tiles, countertop, or vintage kitchenware. Example: a gingham curtain looks amazing with a retro enamel teapot or colorful ceramic mugs. Don't overcrowd. Vintage style is cozy but not cluttered. Keep curtain prints soft and light. Heavy, bold patterns can overpower a small kitchen. Add a personal touch. DIY tie-backs, patchwork panels, or a small lace insert can add uniqueness and a handcrafted feel. Vintage kitchens often feel lived in and personal, not overly modern. Maintenance matters. Choose fabrics that are machine washable since kitchen curtains can get greasy. Lightweight cotton or linen is easy to clean and maintain while keeping the vintage charm. Embrace natural light. Vintage kitchens often celebrate sunlight, so opt for shade or semi-shade fabrics to let light flow through. Even with patterned fabrics, make sure the materials is not too heavy. You want a bright, airy space. Play with curtain jars, wooden or old iron jars. Enhance a rustic or vintage feel. Decorative finials like floral strips, balls, or antique brass add charm. Sometimes a tension or inside the window frame work best for cafe curtains. Combined with balances, pair a simple cafe curtain with a lace or ruffled valance for a layered classic look. Balances can be plain, patterned, or emolded depending on your theme. Retro patterns are key. Don't shy away from classic retro motifs like fruits, teapots, vegetables, or tiny kitchen utensils. Subtle novelty prints look fun yet nostalgic without feel childish. Consider window size. Small windows, short cafe curtains, or tiers work best. Medium windows, half-length curtain with valances or ruffles. Large windows, full-length panels with tabbacks or layered sheets create elegance. Seasonal updates. You can switch patterns or fabrics seasonally. Florals for spring or summer, warm tones for fall or winter. It is an easy way to refresh your vintage kitchen look without a full renovation. Add handmade details, use embroidery, lace insert, or even crochet trims. Give an authentic vintage vibe. Small DIY touches make your curtains unique and personal. Balance with kitchen decor about classic patterns. If your kitchen tiles, backglass, or tablecloth have bold prints, go simpler on the curtains. Vintage charm is cohesive, not chaotic. Functional yet stylish. Remember, kitchen needs easy to clean fabrics. Cotton and linen are washable, travel, and maintain their look over time. Avoid heavy velvet or delicate silks. They are beautiful but impractical in kitchens. Experiment with color accents. Use curtain colors to tie in with kitchen accessories like tea towels, jars, or utensil holders. Example, a soft blue floral curtains with blue enamel marks create a coordinated nostalgic feel. Go for soft muted prints. Vintage doesn't have to be loud. Choose muted florals, pastel stripes, or tiny checks to create soft, welcoming atmosphere. Small scale patterns work better in small kitchens. They feel charming without being overwhelming. Mix and match fabrics. Combine sheer lace or cotton panels for a layered textural look. You can even add patchwork sections for a cozy country vintage vibe. Add a pop of contrast. If your kitchen is mostly neutral, it contains with a subtle contrasting color to draw the eye. For example, a soft beige kitchen can look stunning with a pale blue-looking theme. Consider tight top or round pocket styles. Round pocket curtains slide easily and create soft gathers. Tight top curtains add a playful retro charm and allow easy height adjustment. Play with length and layers. Cafe curtains on the lower half paired with a valance or topper give a classic Prince country vibe. Full-length panels with tabbacks make the kitchen feel elegant and vintage chic. Incorporate lace or crochet accents. Small lace insert, crochet trims, or embroidered details bring handcrafted, timeless appeal. Even a simple lace edged on a plain cotton panel instantly look vintage. Use jot accessories for style. Antique brush or wooden jots enhance authenticity. Decorative panels like floral ball or spiral designs add a touch of personality. Coordinate with kitchenware, pick the thin colors or print that match dishes, mugs, or tablecloths. This creates a cohesive, nostalgic kitchen theme rather than a mismatched look. Choose easy to maintain fabrics. Kitchen can get messy. Cotton, linen, or polyester blend are washable and dryable. Avoid delicate fabrics like silk or velvet. They make it stained or fade quickly. Add seasonal or themed variations. Soap contains according to seasons. Floral for spring, vibrant for autumn, bright ritual patterns for summer. Small changes keep the kitchen feeling fresh while maintaining a vintage vibe. Keep it functional. Ensure contains don't block airflow or across the windows for ventilation. Light soft fabrics allow sunlight in while maintaining privacy, a key part of cozy vintage kitchens. Think about hardware details, small hooks, tie-backs, or clips in antique finishes enhance the vintage aesthetic. Even the simplest contain looks much more nostalgic with the right hardware. Add subtle embroidery. Teeny embroidered flowers, fruits, or kitchen motifs along the edge or corners give the delicate handcrafted vintage feel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.